English vocabulary Sea animals full part. English vocabulary Sea animals part 1. Dolphin, sea turtle, seal, dugong, walrus, pufferfish, crab, whale, starfish, clownfish, hermit crab. English vocabulary Sea animals part 2. Jellyfish, clams, stingray, coral, seahorse, lionfish, sea urchin, seaweed, cockle, sea anemone, red snapper. English vocabulary Sea animals part 3. Shark, oyster, crayfish, seagull, squid, tuna, pearl shell, grouper, red shrimp, leafy sea dragon, sea eel,